Hello everyone, this is a tutorial for FirstCam Outdoor Wireless Series IP cameras. We will demonstrate the general installation procedures and basic features with three hot-selling models. The models are FI9903P, FI9805W, and FI9803P. In this video, FI9803P will be an example for demonstration of P2P models. To remotely access non-P2P version models like FI9805W, DDNS and port forwarding are required. Please refer to user manual in CD for details. Here is the front view and side view of FI9803P. Next, let's look at the accessories. Accessories include power adapter, Ethernet cable, antenna, mounting bracket, screws, CD, quick installation guide, and warranty card. Here is the power port, reset button, and RJ45 respectively. Mount the antenna at the back of the camera. Connect to power. Connect router and camera with Ethernet cable. Click the app FirstCam. Enter the account and password of FirstCam Cloud. Register one on website or on the app if you don't have. Scan the QR code at the back of the camera. Enter the default username admin and leave the default password blank. Then change a more secure password to ensure security and privacy, for example, a combination of upper and lower capitals, numbers, and characters. Enter the name and password of the Wi-Fi you would like to connect to. Now the camera is successfully connected. Click to view HD live streaming on the app. Watch what you carry even you are miles away.